In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show incomplete tasks with Dataview in Obsidian. Open your Obsidian app. In this example, the File Explorer sidebar already shows 3 sample notes: Project Alpha, Weekly Meeting Notes, and Reading List. Each of those notes contains a mix of completed tasks and incomplete tasks, and that gives us something to pull into a dashboard. To get this working, start by installing the Dataview plugin. Go to the bottom left corner of the sidebar and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the left menu, click Community Plugins. If restricted mode is turned on, click Turn on Community Plugins. Then confirm so community plugins are enabled for the Vault. Once that section is active, click Browse. Move to the search box at the top and type Dataview. As the results appear, click Dataview by Michael Brennan. It should be near the top of the list. Then click Install. When the install finishes, click Enable. After that, close the settings window by clicking the X in the top right corner. Now create a new note that will act as your task dashboard. In the top left area of the sidebar, click the new note icon, the one that looks like a page with a plus sign. When the new note opens, type the note name slowly and clearly, Task Dashboard. Then confirm the name so the note is created. Next, write a basic Dataview task query. Click inside the empty body of the new note so the cursor is active. Start by typing 3 backticks, then type the word Dataview. Press Enter to move to the next line. On the new line, type task in uppercase. Then press Enter again. At this point, click somewhere outside the code block to exit editing mode. Obsidian will render the Dataview query. You should now see a list of tasks from every node in your vault. At this stage, the results include both completed and incomplete tasks, and they are grouped by the file they come from. Now adjust the query so it only shows incomplete tasks. Click back into the code block to re-enter editing mode. If needed, you can also hover over the query results and click the source code icon. Place the cursor on a new line under Task, then type where !completed. Read that as where not completed, which filters out finished items. Click outside the code block again so the query runs. The results refresh immediately. Completed tasks disappear, and only unchecked tasks remain in the dashboard. Now group those remaining tasks by the note they belong to. Click the code block again to edit the query one more time. Move to a new line under the where line. Type group by file.link. This tells Dataview to organize the task list by source note, using the note link as the heading. Click outside the code block again to render the updated query. The dashboard now shows tasks organized under clickable headings, one heading for each source note. Each heading displays the note name and the number of incomplete tasks in that file. The dashboard is now working. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To see the live behavior, go to the Dataview results and click the checkbox next to any incomplete task. As soon as you mark that task as done, the dashboard updates. The task disappears from the list because it no longer matches the incomplete filter. Now click the source file link above that task group. That opens the original note where the task was stored. In the source note, verify that the same task is now checked off there as well. This confirms that the Dataview task list is interactive. When you check a task inside the dashboard, Obsidian updates the original file directly. That is the full process for showing incomplete tasks with Dataview in Obsidian, using a dedicated task dashboard note.